Today we're going to be continuing our discussion on progress payments. How much money should a contractor get paid for each stage of your renovation? Generally speaking, you want to structure the contract so that each stage is reflective of a certain percentage of the job. For example, let's say you're renovating a bathroom right down to the studs. Stage 1 could be demolition, or 20%. Stage 2 could be the wiring, insulation, vapor barrier, another 20%. Stage 3 could be the installation of the bathtub, plumbing, fixtures, and drywall. Let's call that another 40%. Stage 4 could be painting and lighting fixtures, or 10%. Stage 5 could be the final 10% for finishing touches, baseboards, touch-up paint, etc. When you add up all of those percentages, all of these stages, you're at that magic 100%. And now you have an actual way to be able to track all of these things for your contractors. It's a lot easier to do it this way, and then you're going to be able to also get your payments through for each stage, motivating that contractor to finish before we get onto the next stage. Time is up. Hopefully you found that useful. Join us next week where I'm going to be discussing the art of a good holdback. See you next time.